should come and say live, right?
No, you should do your
In the
live.
meantime,
Yeah.
I'm
Wait,
going to
I
put,
don't see you.
it takes time, do you understand? I'll do it in front of here. It says, do you want to security, do you want to proceed? Yes, I want to proceed. So now I'm into StreamYard, you see. Also,
I know.
I want to allow,
Webcam.
yes,
You want your webcam?
yes, and then the guard block click, so I want to allow it. I trust StreamYard, allow. But now
Your
since I
browser
have
can
my
access you.
camera,
No, you're in the wrong browser.
the browser can't access the
Right.
device.
Close any other applications
Sometimes,
using your camera. Skype, Zoom.
let me close my
Your
camera
camera.
first and see if this is the problem. Close my camera
Mhm.
and then try it again.
Go to
You
your
see,
camera.
start the camera again, allow, and now it
Okay.
works. So you
So
can see that it gives you the wrong messages.
no, it did. You closed your camera. That's why. You closed your
Okay,
camera
it said
app.
that it's a browser issue.
No, you closed. It didn't say browser. Your browser
You
cannot,
said that it is a browser issue.
because you couldn't use your camera. You had your camera locked there.
Okay,
You want to
let's
check?
go.
You want to change your guest, your name?
Copy, yes.
I want you to change it now.
I will, chef. Please stop it.
No, I'm asking you to change your
I'm
name.
telling you that I will do that.
Okay. Okay, can I go to Zoom, or you want me to wait
No,
for you?
yes, go to Zoom. Now I'm copying the name, putting it in the yellow pad.
I'm sharing my screen. I'm going to Zoom, and I'm going to start Zoom right now.
Fine.
I've never done this on the same computer.
So you try it now. It's time for everything.
So I'm going to start and see if this will work.
I'm going to change it to guest, but going to put in today's date and time.
Open Zoom.
How to install
That's not.
XAMPP. So I'm going to go in with guest. And now I'm entering
You're using computer
the
audio.
broadcast, and it says
I'm talking.
too long, so I'm going to delete some characters.
And now I'm going to start the video. I'll start.
Right there.
Cannot start video because another video camera is in settings. Another video camera is in settings. Another video camera is in settings. Okay. You understand?
Yes.
What did I say?
That cannot start because another video is
Because I won't use video.
session.
Yeah. It won't start. Okay. Should I select the real life camera?
Yes.
Instead and see if that would do it?
Let me put another camera. Okay. You see how to deal with problems. This is the purpose of doing what we are doing now. Do you understand?
What are you doing now?
Putting another camera in.
Okay.
Now select the camera icon and see if you can change the camera.
Microsoft
Select.
Live Cam,
Yes,
is this it?
yes. And now try to get it to work. To give it some time, please.
Yeah, okay. Now let me change the virtual background. Choose virtual background. Okay.
So show me how to select a virtual background too.
But
I'm waiting for you.
I haven't. Okay.
You want me to start Zoom also?
I don't know. Did you start Zoom before?
So
You have the invitation in Steam it. You have the invitation of Zoom. You can try it. But I think what I want to do is I want to. This is too confusing. I want to take.
Comment. I'm going to stop my picture because I don't have enough memory to make it so large.
Okay.
Stop
So I have
recording.
here, I'm recording my Zoom now.
Stop the piece of shorter notices.
And now let me make it
Save
large
it.
and see what happens. And now, do I want to share my screen in Zoom too?
Yes.
Yes.
B.
And I want to share my full screen in Zoom. I've never used the same computer, and now I'm sharing my full screen. Let's see if I can do it. So I'm doing together StreamYard and Zoom.
Right.
Now why? My problem is I don't see my Zoom. And it says I have one participant, which is myself, which is me. Okay, with no video and speaking and recording. This is good. Let me see more what I can do. Do you want to stop recording? No. Cancel.
Can I start the Zoom?
Yeah, try it. See if you can see something.
I want to close some applications that I don't need because they get.
Let me up to my share for full screen video clip.
So I'm going to go to Word and start Zoom.
Why? Oh, because you copied it there. Okay, fine.
You understand?
Yeah.
Here I'm in Zoom again. I'm going to copy to the buffer. Can you repeat it?
Yeah, you're in Zoom. Okay.
So I'm copying it to the buffer.
You're copying it to the buffer, and then you're going to try to
Copy.
get into Zoom.
Then I hold down the control key and trying to get into Zoom.
Okay. And I'll see if you come in as a participant.
So I'm going to put the address in my yellow notepad
Okay.
and edit also to my picture in the meantime.
Mm-hmm. What happened? Did you start it?
For Zoom to start.
Where did you start it? Oh, here you have to open the Zoom meeting.
Okay, I open the Zoom meeting
Did you click?
and I'm waiting for Zoom to launch. So here is Zoom launching.
You are using the computer audio.
Success. So now
where does it say success?
A URL.
Where does it say this success?
Yeah.
Why does it say success? Oh, status success. But go move down. But why don't you see what I'm sharing?
Not yet.
No, move this cursor down so I can see.
I'm trying to. It hung up.
Mm-hmm.
Let's see if I can go full screen if that works. No.
Because we used to be able, there was a link down below. You remember when we got into it?
Takes time. Let me stop the recording.
Low system resources may affect your audio quality. Try closing some applications and performance. Oh, it says you're here.
Stop recording.
No,
here.
it says you're here.
Fine. Stopping the teaser.
Mm-hmm.
Can you stop the teaser?
No.
So stop it and save it before it crashes. Save.
Okay. I started it.
That will be my version C.
Okay. It says that it's low system
Fine. That's what we're doing. Fine.
Okay, because we never used the same.
Overload the system. Yeah. You understand?
Yeah. It says that you're in here, but I don't see what I'm sharing.
Fine. It will take time.
Yeah.
For some reason that is not moving so
easily. Yeah.
Launching. It says launching.
See, it got stuck.
Let's see if
and see on the bottom of this. No, you want to get into Zoom, which you don't have. Why do you have two versions of Steps Recorder?
I don't know, but clearly it's a problem.
Yeah.
Let's see if I can close one of them.
Stop recording, maybe.
Both stop recording.
So stop both.
Let's go to the maybe just an image. Let's see if there are two incidents in the task manager. You understand?
Yeah.
For this, you need a camera like this that shoots whatever you are doing, and there's two zooms.
Yeah. Well,
That's another problem.
Yeah,
one is 0, so let's close this 0 one and that task. Okay, cancel. Now I want to go back and see if this one works. So what's going on?
You want to go down.
It is frozen. You understand? Let me see what's going on in the task manager. Also, two testers running. There's one Zoom, which is fine. One step recorder,
which is fine.
Opera, MSN.
What do you need Opera for?
It's
Oh, I guess you're in Opera now. That's the problem. I think Zoom works better when you're in Google.
Microsoft Edge I don't need, so end that.
Okay.
Here is another Microsoft Edge. That may be jamming it. You see all the Microsoft Edges?
No, I don't see any Microsoft.
Because I deleted Microsoft
Firefox.
Store.
What do you need? Why do you need Microsoft? Why do you need Firefox?
Let me open it and close it. So I can close this. I have something going here, but I don't need it, so I'm going to close it.
Okay.
Close tabs.
Okay.
Secure browser. I don't know that I need that either. So let's see. Why is it stuck here? I don't know, but I'll try to close it. There's a problem with that. Cannot move it.
Yeah. You
cannot move this.
Right.
So let me close this and try it again.
You have some others? Anything else running? Maybe it's close Step Recorder right now.
Why are there two of them?
I know, so close it right now.
Stop recording.
Yeah. Stop record. And yeah.
Okay, that's it. And save again.
Yeah.
That would be it. Maybe some kind of duplication there that I don't understand.
So now, before you start it again, see if you can scroll down.
No. So I'm going to start it again.
Start what again?
Oh, this is still working somehow.
You never stopped. You see that?
Stop recording here too. Oh, this is hanging. Oops.
What is it? Oh, now you're seeing my screen.
Okay.
But it's your screen, isn't it?
No, that's fine. So I'm confused one with the other. That's fine. So review additional details. 44 screens. Okay, good. So that is. Then I start a new recording. And now I'm going to add the last one. Let's see if I result it. I'm C here. Okay. C.
Okay. Stop share.
So now
Okay.
we are working fine. What else? Now show me how I can put a background also. Let's say that I want to put a background. Tell me what to do.
Okay, hold on. Let me share my screen first. Trying to share my screen.
And I want to share my video to start my video. Okay, let's started screen sharing. Okay.
Okay.
Fine. So I see your screen.
But that's interesting. See how it says launching my screen?
Yes. What's wrong with that?
Oh, I guess. Let me move this. Hold on. See,
what is wrong with that?
Do you see my full screen? Yeah, okay, fine. Okay, now what do you want to do? You want to go to yours. Where's your...
I want to put the second camera here too.
Okay, now go.
Okay.
Right here.
So now I want to turn my video on.
Now you want to go to that right up there.
Okay.
Now I got my face, okay.
Okay, takes time. Takes time.
Okay, now,
I'll go up arrow.
right, and now go to choose virtual background.
Choose webcam max. First of all, let me see my camera first.
You want that one?
Integrated, I'd like to use.
Okay, so click on that.
Integrated, let's see if that works. Integrated webcam. Still doesn't show any success, so let's try to use webcam max. Still doesn't show anything. Launching. I should see it my face or how
No. You're start. Go to the up arrow. See, you have this. Now go to up arrow.
Okay.
Now go. Now change. It's in webcam capture. So go to. What do you got? 360.
Let me try.
Manning cam.
Let's see if Insta works at all.
Why you have an Instagram?
No, Dr.
No, it doesn't work.
Unmute. Nothing there. Okay.
No, try
Manicam. Take your finger off.
Try the second one. Integrated webcam.
Low system resources.
Yeah, I have that. I do.
Okay.
Right. That's for me. Okay.
So video setting.
No, integrated.
Just take your finger off.
Integrated webcam.
Integrated. Okay.
Yeah, try that. Let's see what we got. And then we go to participants.
So that didn't work too well.
No, because now click on the start. You try that.
Start video. Oh, cannot start video. Fail to start video camera. Select another video camera settings.
Okay, so we didn't like that one.
2 times. So let's close these two. Okay.
Maybe they're conflicting because you're using the video for one of the other ones. For.
Let's go to webcam max. Let's see if that will work.
You didn't get a face in webcam max.
We'll start all over again. Give it more time and X out of that. I don't know why this one doesn't work, but it doesn't. You know what we can do also is use the camera here to activate it. So here you can change the cameras. Video. Disable now.
See, that doesn't even work. This one looks like.
Let's see what's going on here. Off video.
It's like a reduction. No.
Okay. Some video software is running in the background.
That it does see webcam max. And the integrated doesn't like. Look, go to video settings maybe.
Video settings. Okay.
Here. Now try to change the camera and see if you can get another camera to work.
Integrated. Yeah, integrated should work because the light is on.
Yeah, but it's not coming up anything.
And I will touch up my appearance.
So
Turn off my video and joining meeting.
Click touch up my appearance. Yeah, but it's not showing anything. You see that?
Touch up my appearance.
Okay. Yeah, but it doesn't matter. But go up.
Then we go to advanced. So raising hand. Review. Go to auto. What is that? Direct.
Video rendering method. But you're not even seeing the picture.
Auto rendering, auto and auto. Let's see what is this. Enable. First. Enable. Video capturing method. I don't know why it doesn't work.
You're seeing my screen. This is my screen. Yeah. So you are seeing my screen.
Fine. Do without the video.
So do without the video. You can put your image in. You can put your image.
Try that next. Let me save my picture, please. Save. So my picture I'm already on E. And say camera doesn't work.
Right.
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 Okay. And the time is already 4:22.
Mm-hmm.
Change that to 22. let's try to use the image instead. See, all of these are things and problems that we document later on. We can write a workbook, 48 screens, describing all the problems and the solutions. So now we want to use an image, let's say. So how do I use an image?
Let's not worry about the image.
Worry about it, please.
I think you have to put it in your profile.
Which profile?
I don't know. I know how I put mine in, but
So
to my
tell me what to do.
I don't know.
Do the same thing. I want to join the meeting. That's what I do.
No, but you've joined it already.
I join it a second time. Please don't scream at me all the time. I join it another time, and I'm going to look for the Word document to pull out the ID of the meeting. So this is the ID. See? So I'm copying the ID from here. Control C to copy it. And then join the meeting again, and the second copy all of a sudden may work.
Join.
So join and open Zoom, and then join from a browser. Make it wider. Here it is updating. See?
Zoom is updating. I thought you said you didn't want to update. I didn't want to update. I don't want to have the new version of Zoom.
I didn't ask you.
Well, it did. You must have clicked on it.
Nothing. Browse. Click here to launch meeting. So I want to launch meeting from here and see if that will work.
All of a sudden, you got that in the bottom.
From your browser is the key.
Yeah.
And now it started asking for
sign out. You don't want to sign out. Sign in. You don't want to sign in.
Join meeting. I want. That's all I want.
But yeah.
Starting and
you're like in too many. You're trying. Oh, I lost you. Whatever you did, you were in my meeting.
So it closes one meeting.
You can only from only one computer can you join. From one person.
One instance per computer.
Yeah. You got yourself out.
It's not a big deal. So
I know, but I'm just telling you.
Here it's starting another time. Okay.
You're in there. I see you here. Why don't we continue before having your face?
Calm down. Yes. Okay, so we'll do without the face.
We'll do without the face. Okay, so what do you want me to do from here? You want to share your screen and you do it from you?
Let's keep it. It's working fine, so let's not.
Okay, so what do you want me to do?
Just clip the picture. So we have it all recorded in place.
Okay. Okay, I'm going to new recording. I made a copy.
E and I'll hit F.
Okay.
Another thing that I like to put in there is
I have my
video clip. So take the video clip.
I'm going to put this down here.
The XAMPP video clip. Look at me, please. I copied it from here and I inserted it into the file name right here.
Okay.
Later on, we can
find it and then put an underscore or something else.
So this is F.
G.
Are you with me so far?
Yeah, you're putting a G.
Yeah. Okay, so now I saved it and I want to look at how many screens. There's just 20 screens.
Okay. I just started mine again.
You should look at how many screens you could do. So how many did you do?
It was 50.
And now, did you copy the file name?
Yeah, and put a letter after it.
Comments?
No.
So click on add comment and paste it in the comment. And then I put it also in my notes that I have another picture. You see? Look at this, please.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And I make it a little larger so it fits.
Okay.
And we haven't yet started.
Oh no, we haven't even started. It's barely an hour.
Fine, so relax.
So I guess I'm going to put B. I'm going to copy this.
Don't do anything. It goes crazy.
Too many resources. Mine too.
Overloading the machine.
Yeah, it says it doesn't have enough resources. I'm going to do no recording again.
This is what you want to have a picture so you can record the problem.
Yeah.
You understand?
See, mine says low system resources may affect your audio quality.
So start,
Try closing some applications to improve performance.
So I'm going to start closing some applications.
Yeah.
It's just
Too much. And I'll close some of mine.
I get double picture.
Yeah, you get it like almost appear. It's like it can't handle.
And also the video may be too long. The
MSN recorder. Yeah, I think that also has some issues.
Going to stop the picture.
Yeah, mine doesn't even stop.
Save it.
Is yours stopping?
F, and that will be A, B, C, D, E, F.
Yeah.
This will be page.
It's not stopping the recording.
Stopping which recording?
The MSN recorder.
So what you do is you wait a little. Is the picture running?
Yes.
So run the picture.
It is running.
I'm recording.
It is running.
I'm doing the same. Please bear with me.
Okay. Last one. It is.
Add a comment with the last picture name. Did you add a comment with the last picture name?
Yes.
Then you bring the cursor, watch me please. Bring it to the MSN recorder and click on it, and it will come and tell you that it should.
Click on what?
Click on.
Stop. What do you want to click on?
Just on the image.
I did.
Tell you to stop the application. Give it some time.
No, it's just a circle twirling.
Hour. It will eventually give you a message.
It isn't.
In the meantime, I want to go to the browser to pull up the name of the instructions. You just have to close some applications. So I want to stop the.
Stop what?
Picture.
Okay, I'm going to stop recording. Just stop recording.
Save.
Save.
It will be I. And I want to suspend the recording for now. Just copy the file name and put it in my notes. That's all.
And save it.
HI G. The time is 4:30.
Yeah. This still has not stopped. Did yours stop your?
I don't know.
Yeah.
Put it in my notes. This is hung up too.
Yeah.
So Control Alt Delete. So open the task manager and stop the MSN recorder from there. Step recorder and end the task.
Does yours come up? My Alt.
Go to MSN recorder and end the task.
Okay, fine. I'm waiting.
And then watch me. Then it will clear it from here.
Okay. Where's your MSN recorder? Show it to me.
It's already disappeared from here.
Right.
Okay, some browsers that I don't need. I'm going to end them too.
It's secure browser, yeah. And what do you have in Excel that you need Excel open?
Yes, I write notes in it.
And you need the internet, you need Opera?
Yes. Now I come back here.
Yeah, doesn't. I end task.
Sometimes it's just here, now it stopped.
Yeah, mine stopped.
And here, for some reason, I have 2 instances of Zoom, which I don't need also. So I'm going to delete one of them.
Yeah, I have 2 instances of Zoom as well.
Why?
I don't know. think I entered it in different places. I have 2 instances of Zoom too. I have one for 32-bit, and I have 2 it says I have 2 instances. Should I close one? I'm debating if I close it, then I'm going to stop.
Let's see if we can continue. My hung up. My task manager hung up.
My task manager didn't hang up. Do you see my screen?
Okay, no. Okay. Just too slow.
Yeah. Just
New options. Okay, this is one.
what happened?
Let's remove control. Exit full screen. Yeah, it was full screen. That was the problem.
What was full screen?
The Zoom. So, okay.
But why is mine saying launch? Okay.
Okay, so now we go to WordPress to install
The
XAMPP.
Okay. So you want me to go to WordPress?
Please do the same thing that I'm telling you to do.
So how to install? Step 1.
Download XAMPP.
Okay. So
you go to XAMPP, you search it as the XAMPP. There is a website called XAMPP. Control copy. See if I can run paste from here. So, this is my instructions here.
okay.
Let's see. I have everything running here. I can run another MSN.
Do you want me to go to XAMPP ApacheFriends.org?
Record. I'm starting MSN recorder.
Oh, let me start MSN recorder again.
This is the most important. Is the XAMPP.
Yeah. I have a problem of MSN recorder starting. Let me try. Oh, my cursor's going crazy.
Just relax. Full screen.
Okay. And then I'm going to copy. Don't you want to copy the file name?
Yeah, I copied it to the notepad. So I have XAMPP and I have the video name for XAMPP.
Okay.
Now I want to turn Pisser on again and see if I can capture that. So start recording.
It's very slow. This one, as soon as I started talking to MSN Recorder, I can't move MSN Recorder. My
Just
cursor.
a second. Copy. Add the comment.
Yeah.
Save.
It's very.
Now I want to search for XAMPP and download.
I got it. So you want me to? Yeah, I have XAMPP here. You want me to download it?
Yeah, please download XAMPP. Where did you?
I just typed XAMPP in Google, and it came up with ApacheFriends.org. Is that where you want me to do it? David, from there's a number. There's SourceForge.net or ApacheFriends.org.
Yeah, go to Apache. You want to always.
I want to go to the original.
Yes.
So I'm going to go to Apache. Okay.
Yes.
So XAMPP is a free open source server. And it says low system resources it has on it.
Fine, download it and see if it works.
I don't need Steam in here.
XAMPP. Enter. So XAMPP install it, download for Apache. Friends, is that the one you use?
Yeah. ApacheFriends.org.
Look at me, please.
Yeah.
Is this the one?
Yeah. That's what I use. So there's a
selected the one for Windows?
No, I just clicked on that first and then it'll ask you for a choice. Now go down. See, now you get a choice.
Okay, Windows. Which one did you choose?
I haven't chosen anything yet. I'm waiting for you.
So you want to take the one for Windows?
Right.
Scroll down and see if there's anything else relevant and then click on it.
Right. It says click here for other versions.
Okay, now we downloaded it. So I'm going to stop my Pisser.
Okay.
Tell your friends about XAMPP. So I'm copying this. They comment in my Pisser.
So I can give you.
And then
See, I don't see it because I'm.
Tell your friends about XAMPP. I'm going to take that and insert it to the file name. I really don't need it.
Yeah, I want
I
to
have
move.
some notes here I'm going to make from that XAMPP file
I
name.
can't.
Okay. The comment. Paste. Stop recording.
Okay, here, good.
Did you click Pisser?
Here, I'm trying to get out of my annotate. Okay. Okay. Now let me get my pisser now.
The time is 4:38, so we'll
Hold
start
on.
the XAMPP at 4:38,
I'm going to start recording
and
again.
that is G. So the next one will be J.
H, not J.
J. Okay, thank you.
If
Save.
G, it's H. The letter after G is
Review.
H.
I have 47
You are muted.
screens, which
Oh,
is
I
good.
don't want
And add a
to.
comment,
Somehow,
paste, and continue. Okay, so
no.
now,
See, I'm trying to unmute myself. You see this?
so unmute yourself.
I'm trying, but the cursor, you see how the cursor is?
Yes. What you want to switch with me here and just click on, go to the, you see here, open this up.
Yeah, I know, but
Open,
now I'm
showing
okay.
folder.
Yeah, I know. Okay, I'm now unmuted. That's all I wanted to make sure.
Showing folder. Here is XAMPP 64-bit. So you see that?
Okay, did you download
So
already?
double click it. I'm going to install
Okay,
it.
showing folder. Okay, you want me to do the same thing
Showing
here?
folder, please.
It's just moving all the
And
time.
double click and then copy it.
No,
Look, rename. Watch me, please.
I'm trying to do it here.
Copy.
I cannot do two things at the same time.
Add a comment.
I'm going to try to show in folder.
Now I'm going to stop the recording and save it so it will be exactly which version of XAMPP I'm running.
Yeah. Okay, so what did you do now?
I copy the XAMPP. Look at me, please.
What?
I paste the XAMPP file name.
Oh, in the name. Okay, so let me
change
do that.
it from J to K.
Now.
Okay. And now I'm going to put in the time, which is 4:40. The download took only 2 minutes 40. And now I'm ready to actually install it.
Hold on.
Are you with me so far?
No, I'm trying to save my work.
Okay. Start a new recording, add a comment. Let me know when you
No, I'm
are
still.
with me,
I'm not yet.
please. So I'm waiting for you.
Okay.
Okay.
No, I'm saving. Okay, I'm going to do a new recording.
In the meantime, I'm documenting it in my
Okay,
different file.
when I have it, did you just double click the XAMPP here now?
I didn't run it yet.
Okay.
I'm waiting.
Okay, I'm right here. So you
So
want to
let's do
double
it
click?
together so we can.
We'll see.
So now what you do is you just double click it
That's what I'm
here
going to do.
and it will start running.
We'll see.
You double click the installer. You
No,
understand?
yeah.
In the meantime, I'm going to open up my spreadsheet with today's class. And I'm going to put it note. Look at me, please.
I'm looking here on my
So
screen.
take a break. I pasted it here. Make some more space to separate today's lecture from the previous one. You understand? And I'm going to do the same thing. Minimize it. Open Word.
And what's that Bitnami?
The date. Go to the very top of the word and put it here. And it doesn't work. You can go to Control V. Minimize it. And now it asks you.
It seems you have an antivirus running. In some cases, they slow down or interfere.
Fine.
Please follow the items. Okay, continue with the installation. You want to say yes?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, mine doesn't. Mine just keeps on rolling here. You see that?
Okay, did you double click it?
Yeah. You see how the circle?
Oh, yeah, fine. So you're fine. Say yes. And now important
Important because
because
of activated user account on your system. Some function of XAMPP are restricted. With USA, please avoid to install XAMPP to missing right permissions or deactivate the UIC with
after
MS
setup.
event after
Okay.
the setup.
So I say okay. Let it continue. Now next.
You should have taken a screenshot of that.
Next.
Okay.
Do you
So
want
like
checked up everything?
so.
Next.
Okay. And it's going to the
Next.
root of
C.
C.
XAMPP.
Right.
And next. And now
Okay. What it was.
Vitami. Okay. Next. Set up.
Oh,
Okay. So now I'm going to stop
yeah.
recording and save. And that is going to be L.
What letter did you have before?
L.
Okay.
And that's fine. And copy to the buffer.
I don't know what happened to my.
I will switch positions.
Yeah.
Let me just finish here. I want to see how many screens I got. 40 screens. Okay.
Did you save it?
Comment. Yeah. I saved it. Okay, and this is my L version. So see now I have to press return.
Okay.
To see that L is here.
Yeah.
And it is. So I'm stopping it, and now I'm looking at the
Say hello to your favorite applications on XAMPP.
So now say hello to your favorite applications on XAMPP.
Oh, here's my Bittommy.
Okay, so use cookies, blah blah. Okay. So I click on X to get rid of the cookies message.
Looks like I have some issues here.
I'm waiting for you to get this message.
Okay, I got this one.
Get the screen with.
Wait a minute, I haven't gotten there yet.
With
Did you do this? Did you have Bitnami with the next?
Bitnami for XAMPP, yes.
Setup. Did you get this screen already?
Yes.
And you put everything in there? You used all the defaults?
Yes. Now I want to go to my notepad also. So
this says Bitnami for XAMPP. Learn more about XAMPP. Bitnami for XAMPP. Bitnami for XAMPP provides free installers that can install Drupal, Joomla, WordPress, and many other popular open source programs.
Okay, so you finish with
that? Setup is ready.
Until you get this screen. Did you get this screen? Yes.
Not yet.
Right now?
No.
It's still working. Okay, let's work on it. Let's look at it here for now so you understand. Joomla, you understand what they are?
Yeah.
What is Joomla?
It's another another like CMS.
CMS and Drupal?
There's another CMS.
Okay, so you know there are more.
Orange
Moodle is
LMS and Orange and Mag.
Open Card for the shopping center.
And a chat.
On Cloud.
PHP. The Mahara. I don't know what Mahara is.
Suite Cram. MyDB.
Suite. Not Suite.
Wiki Media.
Right. CMS made simple.
These are all apps.
Right. That are XAMPP related.
Yeah.
So this says it's unpacking files. Did you get unpacking files already?
Yes.
Where?
I think I did.
I don't think so.
To the end of it. Let me scroll all the way. Microsoft Azure, Amazon, Google Cloud.
No, that's just about BitAMP. But I'm asking you, where did you get this screen?
How did you get it to start?
I clicked.
I clicked on what?
It said to continue, and I clicked.
I've done it.
Where?
I don't know. Thought I did.
No, because this takes a long time for installing. You must have it somewhere. Maybe it's hidden somewhere.
Full screen.
No, not full screen. This is just another. This is just the browser telling you about XAMPP on Bitami.
So what do you want me to do now?
Minimize it.
Minimize
Yeah.
it?
Here, ready to install. You
Okay.
didn't do it.
So click next
Yeah.
and then
Right. And now it's going to
stop
take
it
time.
now.
Right. So let me stop the recording. Maybe this is a good time to stop.
Yeah.
No.
Stop the recording.
Right.
Now it will take some time to execute.
Yeah.
Thank you for helping me.
You understand? You just got to.
Okay, so
It's in the background. You have to say
a
next.
million times.
Yeah.
And now
Unpacking the files.
copy that and copy and save. And let's review it. 51 screens. Start a new recording. Paste it. Did you comment the pisser?
No, I'm doing
Comment. I'm gonna put it in my notepad and put it in your notepad and your documents in Excel and Word. Right, same. Brushes in the middle.
Yeah.
And now the browser also. Okay, it's installing.
Yeah. Where's Sunday? Oh, this took so long.
Then you can document everything and put it in all your notes.
This is, let's see.
You open a notepad, did you put it all the file names there?
I put it in the sticky pad.
Notepad is not sticky pad.
I told you I put it in sticky pad, not notepad.
So open up notepad.
Well, let me
put
first
it there
copy
too.
it. Everything takes long.
Vietnamese for XAMPP provides free installer. XAMPP is an easy to install Apache distribution containing MySQL, PHP, and Perl.
Okay, now where's the install? Did you see the install?
Mine is in the middle running. Still it says unpacking.
Mm-hmm.
Yours is running too, right?
I don't know. Let me just see here.
This is it.
Oh, yeah.
No?
Yeah. That's it. It's very slow.
Okay.
See how slow it is?
Yes. I cannot believe that the camera doesn't work. I have so many cameras here. None of them is working. Okay,
Not
it's
now.
working. Okay, try the camera.
Do you have, is this running?
Yes.
Show me. Why is it now all of a sudden running?
Because I ran it. It's not all of a sudden.
Oh, but you couldn't run it in, but you couldn't get your face in Zoom.
No, it doesn't matter, but it's here.
Okay.
Try yours and see. You turn on the, let me help you please on that notepad. The notepad is one of the most important one because it doesn't take a lot of resources. You understand? Okay, you wanna
see how it's like very slow my browser.
You're all congested. Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
afraid to even add anything on your computer.
Understand.
Okay, so that's good. So leave it alone.
But my upgrading is not my files don't seem to be.
So now we can go to the other computer, join the Zoom.
Wait a minute, no, I don't want to join
from
the
the other
Zoom.
computers and install the XAMPP there.
No, let's just finish up with this. What is this now? Coming up with.
It's running, don't you see? It says
No,
installing.
what is loading here? What is the psycho and all this stuff coming up now?
That's the background, don't worry about it.
Hmm.
You can minimize it.
Oh, I didn't even know. Why did you open up Opera? A mistake? Why do you, what do I need this? This is going to take more.
Need it?
No.
You sure?
Why do I need that for?
So close it.
Yeah.
You don't need it.
Quit
Opera.
Yeah, it's taking up resources.
It's the default browser. I don't think you want to close it because you don't understand that it's running in the background.
So what I need Psycho running? The Psycho running.
You want to try to close it, it will crash Zoom.
Why? I don't have Zoom running on it.
You don't understand what you're running here, but I'll show it to you. Quit Opera.
Okay.
You can see and understand a little better what's going on.
Now it's installed.
Okay, fine. So good.
So what did you want to show me?
That it was the default browser.
Yeah, but you said that
this one.
Zoom is on. What happened here?
Small days and some recorders set up. 18 apps restarting.
Why is it restarting?
Oh, because cancel the restart.
Why do you do that?
Because I want to close.
What do you want to close?
When you install all these applications,
it wants to install.
It wants to restart. You want to change this to save.
Is it going to try?
Notepad, yes. Okay. Word, save. MSN recorder.
You don't want to quit.
Word. Want to save your changes to save. Yes, save to everything.
So you're going to.
WordPress, local host, save.
Okay, this is not moving.
Take a little time, please.
Yeah.
Would you like to quit MSN? Let's stop the recording first. I guess it hung out. Yeah. This Apache is trying to close everything. Understand?
So what do you want? You want to keep it running or what?
No, I want to cancel that. See? Do you want to abort installation process?
No.
No.
Oh, I think you probably clicked something by accident.
Maybe.
I think that's what it is.
Fine. So it's installed. It's fine.
Right. You click something.
Maybe.
Oh, I think you tried to click cancel.
Fine. It's working. It's slow, but it is working. Let's stop Pisser. So while we sit here, get this Pisser to stop.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't even start it, so I'm starting Pisser.
I stopped mine.
Stop and rename it again. Save. Give it another extension.
Do D, I'll do E.
Yeah. And change the time too.
Okay. To 4:55.
See, I documented it in Word. Look. I documented it in Word.
Yeah.
And in Excel.
Okay.
You see that?
Yeah.
Save. 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 Save.
Yeah, record.
Save.
Okay.
Save everything. Well, Microsoft Excel has stopped working. You see?
Yeah. Too many resources.
Fine. So that's you want to document problems like that and have them in the book to show. Look, when you have all these documents open, it reopens Excel. You see what it's doing on its own?
Yeah. Because it crashed.
Yes.
But look at all those. Look at it keeps on trying all the instances of Excel. You see that?
So I'm going to close them now.
Yeah.
One by one, except that one that I need is this one. Look,
Yeah.
this I want.
Okay. So,
This is the last picture.
so maybe save that one.
Yes, this I want to save.
So save it now.
File, save,
Right.
and I don't want to close it.
Okay, so keep that and close
But
the
the
other
others,
one.
I'm going to close all of them.
Yeah.
Close,
Highlight
close,
it. Yeah.
close.
No, you minimized it. You didn't close it.
I closed it. Only
Okay.
one I want to
Okay.
open, which is this one.
Okay, fine. So where's your XAMPP file?
So now that I updated all the others, I want to minimize them.
Okay, you're here.
My
Finished.
XAMPP is finished.
Okay, you're further along than I am.
I want to stop now picture
Okay, so stop.
before I go to the next step,
Okay.
you understand, and save it before the whole thing is crashing.
Okay.
Save. Are you with me so far?
Yeah.
So what
So you need now
version should it be?
A.
No, M.
Oh,
N, LMN. And the time now is 4:58. 15 minutes it took. Just the run of the 5:58. Let's see how many screens I got. Just this alone was 30 screens.
To do what?
To close the applications. Okay. Now I'm ready to finish. I click finish.
Okay, fine. I'm not there.
Fine, Sarah. So I want to save it.
Language, you want to
save the US.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah. Error.
Cannot create file.
Access
denied. So that is a problem. So you know that something is.
You got an error. I think you maybe had to stop running all those applications too. You had a lot of applications.
You have to change the
config
and put it the config the in. You understand? So put a note here.
Why'd you cut? Error.
And put it later on. I'll put the line in the config. You understand? Yeah. To execute it, you have to put in. Read it to me, please.
Cannot create file.
No, read it. :/.
C:\\XAMPP XAMPP
/read
/XAMPP dash control.ini. .ini. Access is denied.
Just the file that I need. Okay. So now I copy this. That will go into my file name. You understand? Okay. Control.
Yeah.
Ini. Put it in a comment. And I'll remember later to edit
comment.
Stop. And save.
Okay, let me stop my recording here.
Paste. It will be LMNOP. Oh. The time now is 5.
Yeah. PM.
5 p.m.
Maybe it's a good time to stop.
Maybe it's a good time to continue and finish already. Copy. Save. This alone is already 13 screens. Yeah. No. Add comment. Paste. Enter. Now I say okay to that message. Okay. So now here it is. It's running.
Where?
This is
what's running?
XAMPP.
That's XAMPP. What are you supposed to do with it? Oh, then you start Apacheing MySQL.
See, installation of the directory, it didn't get that. So you have to go to config and install it and put it in the config file. You understand? This is now XAMPP running. You are not running with administrative right. This will for most applications. So you have to
go to each one.
Directory.
501. It looks like it's keep on going.
What keeps on going?
See, it started 501.21, and now it was just now. It just came up with all that. What happened with my XAMPP?
It didn't finish yet. It go Find the box
Oh,
with
right here.
execution.
Here.
Minimize other things. Here it
Oh,
is. Just
yeah.
leave it alone. Yours it takes longer. That's
Yeah.
all. So that's what you have to have. You understand? So now this is XAMPP running.
Okay.
You understand?
Yeah. Okay. I'm going to close this. I have XAMPP running. Welcome to XAMPP. XAMPP is easy to install Apache distribution containing MySQL, PHP, Perl. So I'm taking a break. Do you want to continue with this on the Zoom on this
Let me
machine?
add a comment. Did I add a comment? Yes.
Guess what?
For the
Okay, can you watch this
fine.
computer
Yes.
here?
File save. Let's close some of these. Smartphone. Close one. So now I need to go to the WordPress official site,
Mm-hmm.
get WordPress button from the top right side. You will be restricted to a new page and hit download and download WordPress. You understand?
Now it's time to create a database and start. So you've done the installation. Okay, fine.
So I'm going to, with this, it
Click
will
on
port
Get
me
Word,
to
WordPress button from the top right hand side. It
and
says.
download it.
Okay. So did you do Control and the
So
click?
see, so now I'm going to go to stop the pisser and save the pisser.
Okay.
So I'm ahead of you a little
Much
bit,
and
so,
much.
which is
Yeah.
good.
Right.
LMNOP. See,
Okay.
now it is 508. 08. Copy this and save.
Examples of these install Apache distribution containing MySQL,
68, no recording.
PHP,
And now
and
it
Perl.
doesn't come up.
Well, where's your browser?
Try to get it again. Here it is. Okay.
Okay. WordPress.org.
So now I want to get WordPress.
Right.
Click on it.
Right. Download WordPress.
I want to make sure it's for a Windows.
How do you tell?
I don't know. So
Go down.
Say,
Get notification requirements here. We recommend.
right. I guess it's all for Apple Store, Google Play.
Go back up.
It will say that it's not for.
Wait a minute. Download WordPress.
So I click download WordPress.
Okay.
Here it downloads it.
Okay, so it's downloaded.
All right. Document support WordPress group.
Hooray.
Let's see for WordPress. What can I find on WordPress? Just WordPress I want. Copy. Edit comment. You see what I'm doing?
Yeah, you're adding a comment of WordPress.
Now I'm going to stop it and save it in the file name. You understand?
Yeah. So did you save?
Not yet. I'm working.
What do you have in the buffer?
LMNOP.
Q.
LMNOP. So the next one will be R.
Q. Not Q.
R.
Why not R? Q.
Because this is my sequence R. And then I'm going to add WordPress. Paste it at the beginning. You see that? And
yeah.
The time is 10.
5:10.
5:10. 0.10. I'll copy to the buffer. Save. Review. 22 steps and add a comment. You understand what I'm doing?
Yeah, you're putting a comment.
Yeah, so now clear this message and proceed with the installation of WordPress.
So did you click download WordPress? It's on the right hand side, isn't it?
So I downloaded it and
right
now
here
I need to install it.
Right.
I'm going to open it.
Show in folder first.
Show in folder. So I know which one
WordPress zip.
Rename. Copy.
And it's 5.4. You got it.
Yeah. Paste. And stop the recording and save it.
And this says XAMPP, which is easy to install Apache distribution containing MySQL. You can do WordPress and many other popular open source apps on top of your existing XAMPP installation.
Yes. Save.
So it's part of
just this long 10 steps just to
what?
Get to this point.
Okay.
So now I'm installing.
You pasted it.
What am I installing?
You're installing the WordPress. Well, you haven't installed it yet. You're just clicking on the file.
Yeah.
You want to go to the
That makes it. Yes.
PHP. It's all in PHP.
README. Let's look at the README. There's an installation file and all of that. Or this
I
is
don't
all you
know.
need.
Click on the README first. First things first.
Okay.
Unzip
We
in an
did
empty
that.
directory. Open the install PHP in your browser.
Okay. So install PHP. That's what we need.
The admin, admin.
Right. So I'm going to put it on the side so I can see that.
Now move it to the other side.
Can you please look at it?
Yeah. The first one.
Install PHP.
To go into this one, probably.
Admin install PHP.
In your browser, so you have to go find it in your
Inside
this
admin?
one. Yeah, I think so.
Yes. So
Go
let's go
down.
inside admin. Let's find install PHP.
Go down.
Install PHP. Okay. Install PHP.
Here. In the browser, they say.
Okay.
So they said you have to do it within your browser.
Fine.
So you can even just click here. Maybe.
Open admin PHP. Window cannot complete the extraction. The destination file could not be created. Okay, that's a problem. Okay. Oops, here it is. Code writer. So it goes into the code and shows you this PHP here. Let's see what else they say to do here. Takes you through the process.
What is saying this
to
5
set up
minutes?
WordPress config file with your database. Open, install in your browser. Once configuration file is set up, the installer will set up the table. And it didn't work, so maybe there's a browser issue here because it broke into the code.
Mm-hmm.
So let's stop.
Yeah, this is a good time to stop. We've been doing this for 2 hours now.
Okay, so
You know, I still haven't unpacked this yet.
fine. So it can go work all night long. S. After S is Q.
Not T.
No. Now we move to another one. Copy and save. Okay. That alone took about 32 steps. Add a comment. Seems like it had some issue with it.
With WordPress.
And so we'll go back to the admin. We'll open it with another browser.
Open with Google a lot of
I
times.
don't know which browser that is. Anyways, here I can put in my next page, the file name. Make it out of the way. Then I take the path. Copy. Open it with this browser. So, there's the path. Was not found. How come that it is not found? Just copy it from here to here. We go. Didn't find it.
Let me just see.
So let's take another browser. Let's take this one. And this one is what was used there. Let's take this one. It's not didn't work. I'll take this one. Okay. Fox is installing all of them. Okay. Not now.
Okay, welcome to XAMPP.
Paste.
It's easy to install Apache distribution
Not
containing
found.
MySQL.
So all of them cannot find the path.
Why
Why
not?
can I not find the path? I don't know, but they cannot.
Is
So
that the
there's
right
some
path? Which path are you
just
using?
copy the path from here, you
Yeah,
understand?
but maybe it's
Maybe what? Copy. Well, it doesn't let me copy. Copy.
I'm almost finished up unpacking the files. So somehow it shows that you're out of my
Yeah.
Zoom meeting. Did you do that unintentionally or?
No,
How you got out of my Zoom meeting?
Or what does he want me to do at this point? I don't know.
I'm here, but you're not here. And I'm still sharing my screen, which
Now
is
let's
good.
go to my Word document, the instructions for WordPress instructions. Download bottom or the download WordPress. Okay, I did that. Now create a database, select HDocs folder and paste WordPress latest version that you have copied. I have to find the htdocs database. So this is where,
See, this is the zip file. Did you do this other step, step 3?
yes,
Show me.
this is the file that I showed you.
Okay.
So this is where I had to do manually because it didn't do that. You understand?
Or can you go down? See, to create a database, you need to prepare a folder on your PC when you want to save the data to your local site. Go to your local disk where you want to select the indocs folder and paste the WordPress latest version you got.
So it created it my downloads folder.
Okay.
You understand?
Okay, so that's where you want to install it?
I'm not gonna start moving files now.
Okay.
So
Okay.
install it wherever it wants. So this I'm stuck in the
Code writer.
code writer,
What
in the PHP.
are you supposed to do there?
There's an issue with that. I don't know what does it want me to do with that.
I don't know. Okay, it looks like I'm almost finished up unpacking the files.
Now I want to go to that folder that contains the installation. It installed it in this folder.
Now, why is it asking about Mac?
Why can I not open it with another browser? I do not know. Let's see if now it will open it. No.
Okay, so it's still running.
First in the middle.
Okay,
Anyway, no.
XAMPP installer.
Stop recording.
Let's stop this.
Copy this on save the same file. Okay, that's it. I have to go
What?
where I saved the same file and
Yeah.
select the htdocs folder and paste the WordPress latest version that you have copied earlier. that I haven't done.
Yeah. I'm trying to stop the Amazon recorder and it doesn't stop.
What I need to do, go to the XAMPP. Okay. Can you follow that?
You have to go to the XAMPP File Explorer.
And XAMPP, I think it's in the program file. I'm
Mm-hmm.
not sure what XAMPP is. Did you understand?
You think it's in the, here's recent files. Here's the
This is
WordPress.
XAMPP.
Maybe it's under documents. Maybe search here XAMPP. Put XAMPP right here and then no, right there with the question mark, not here.
Just
Here it is. Oh, that's just that.
control panel. I want to find the XAMPP folder. XAMPP.
No. Here's folders. Here's documents.
XAMPP.
Put it there.
Okay.
Creating installer. This is 75%, it says.
But,
So I need to control alt delete.
where does it save it exactly?
There's an error.
XAMPP. Let's see.
Right.
My understanding it should be, I should have copied the path and I didn't. So I want to go to Windows. Where would it be? Then let's start. Download. Where's the window folder?
So I have StreamYard running and I
Where's
have
that folder?
this running. And I have this welcome XAMPP running.
Windows. Okay, let's see. Program file.
Complete. The XAMPP wizard setup has finished installing. Do you want to start the control panel now? Did you say yes or no?
Yes.
You said start the control panel?
Yes.
Okay.
Windows.
Finish.
Here is that.
Save.
Okay. Here is that. You see?
I got the same error. See this?
Right. So this is the path to XAMPP. Oh, it's on C. Oh, okay.
Here. Not create file. C colon XAMPP control by any access is denied. I'm going to copy this.
Okay, so now what it says, select the HDoc folder and paste the WordPress latest version you have copied earlier.
Control C.
Local disk.
Now I'm going to go to
File. Save the downloaded XAMPP file on download. HDoc folder. Paste the WordPress latest version you have copied earlier. Exactly what you want me to do now. Same is there. Oh, here's htdocs. So htdocs is already inside XAMPP. I don't know what to do with this. htdocs is there. I'm not using htdocs. Same. So it is already there. Okay. So what's next? HDocs. Okay. So put this XAMPP 2. That's file folder. Now rename WordPress folder. You can avoid this option if you want to build your site with the name WordPress itself. Wow. Rename the folder My Test. Okay. So we changed it to My Test. Okay. Localhost. Okay, that's it. Then I finished.
You did as well?
Yeah. In the new tab, localhost PHP admin. So let's see if that works. Control copy. Localhost PHP admin. Let's see what that does. No, reload. Error connection refused. That's a problem like that. Site cannot be reached. You have successfully created your localhost database. Not. Checking the privacy in the firewall. There may be a problem with the firewall.
Yeah, it said a lot of reasons why. I'm reading. Issues, fixes a security enter. What if I went on? We just released a new version of XAMPP. Oh, okay.
We did not download the new version. We just downloaded. Check your internet connection. Any cable.
I have an
Allow
error too.
Chrome to access network of your firewall or antivirus. You use a proxy server. Check your proxy settings. Go to Chrome menu settings, show advanced setting, change LAN setting, use a proxy server for your LAN. So that's what we have to do now.
XAMPP is the most popular PHP development environment for Windows, OS X, and Linux platforms. It is a completely free and easy to install distribution containing MySQL, PHP, and Perl. This video shows how to install XAMPP on Windows. On the first page, you can select the components that you want to install. Then select the installation directory. All the components that you choose will be installed in directory. XAMPP also allows you to install PHP-based applications easily. Bitnami modules provide the easiest way to install WordPress, Drupal, or Joomla, among others, on top of your XAMPP installation. You can find more info at the ApacheFriends.org website. The XAMPP open source package has been set up to be incredibly easy to install and to use. After the installation, you will see the control panel. XAMPP control panel allows you to configure your servers or open a command prompt for running commands. Also possible to start the servers automatically. From the configuration button, you can modify the main configuration files for Apache, PHP, or MySQL. By starting the Apache server, you can access the XAMPP administration webpage from your browser.
Let's see, 534.
You can also manage your databases from the browser easily thanks to the PHP MyAdmin application.
Wow.
To download and find more information about XAMPP, visit ApacheFriends.org.
That's it. I cannot continue any further.
Okay. So can we shut down then? I got stuck. It says that I got an error message. With the any. So I'm going to stop my, you're not here anymore, so I'm going to stop sharing on my Zoom.
Okay.
Okay, and then I'm going to participate, share screen, join audio. Talking is Dr. Rush. I'm going to stop the recording. Okay. I'm going to end the meeting for all. I'm not going to update, okay? The
You're
version.
not going to update what?
Zoom software.
Fine, that doesn't. It's
Yeah.
relevant for what we're doing.
Okay, I'm just telling you. I'm going to close this, and now I'm going to go to StreamYard. Where's StreamYard?
Oh, I didn't know folder for it.
Where's StreamYard? I'm going to StreamYard. And somehow you're not in StreamYard anymore.
No.
Yeah, somehow you got out of StreamYard too.
Fine.
Okay, and I'm stopping StreamYard.
Fine.
Okay, I'm going to end broadcast.